Eid Mubarak, everybody. Hope you have a nice day.
Assalamu alaikum. MashaAllah. Eid Mubarak. Eid Mubarak.
Everyone.
Eid Mubarak
to everyone.
Have a lovely day.
Eid Mubarak to all my class and you. Eid Mubarak, everyone.
Eid Mubarak.
Assalamu alaikum. Eid Mubarak.
मेरी तरफ से सबको ईद मुबारक जो मुसलमान ब्रिस्टल में रहते हैं और दुनिया में सबको ईद मुबारक
Eid Mubarak, everyone.
Assalamu alaikum. I would like to say Eid Mubarak to everyone.
Eid Mubarak. Eid Mubarak.
I would like to take this opportunity to say Eid Mubarak to the entire Ummah. Allah Rabbul Alameen grant us all the true happiness of Eid, and Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala grant us the blessings of Eid. Taqabbal Allahu minna wa minka. May Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala accept our worship and your worship.
Eid Mubarak.